This video tutorial I will explain using block diagram how WhatsApp works behind the scenes. Here you can see key components of WhatsApp block diagram. First one is user device, second one is WhatsApp app, third one is WhatsApp server, fourth one is recipient device, fifth one is delivery status system. User device. This is your smartphone where you use the WhatsApp app to send and receive messages. You type a message, hit send, and the process begins. WhatsApp app. This is the app on your phone, takes your message and encrypts it. Encryption means that your message is converted into a secret code so that no one else can read it. WhatsApp server is the central system where all messages pass through. It does two things: routes messages and queues messages. Forward your messages to recipient if the recipient is online, and it is called routing. If the recipient is offline, it holds the message until they come online. This is called queuing. Recipient device is nothing but phone of the person you are messaging. When their phone connects to the internet, the server sends the encrypted message. The message is then decrypted and displayed in their chat window. WhatsApp uses a system of ticks to show the status of your message. One tick means message sent to the server. Two ticks means message delivered to the recipient's phone. Blue ticks means message read by the recipient. Now we will see how WhatsApp works. You send a message from your device. The WhatsApp app encrypts the message for security. The encrypted message travels to the WhatsApp server. If the recipient is online, the server instantly forwards the message. If the recipient is offline, the message is stored in the queue until their phone connects. Once the message is delivered, the recipient phone decrypts the message and they can read it. Delivery status are updated in real time on your phone. Why this system is great? First point is end-to-end encryption. Because of this, only sender and recipient can read the message. Next point is reliable delivery. Messages are stored in a queue if the recipient is offline. Next point is real-time updates. You can see when your message is sent, delivered and read. Next point is efficient design. Ensures fast communication with minimal delays. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.